Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your Fere Fit Smartwatch to your phone and set the time, date and wallpaper. The first step is to scan the QR code on the smartwatch to make sure that the watch is using the Fere Fit application. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fit Pro, HealFind, DaFit or FitCloud Pro, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. Install the application on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect the smartwatch to your phone. After connecting, the time and date will update automatically on the watch. You can also choose between 12 or 24 hours time format on the smartwatch. Now follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper to any picture on the smartwatch. To make phone call on the smartwatch, you will need to activate Bluetooth on the smartwatch and connect the watch to your phone via the Bluetooth settings on your phone. If you have problems connecting the watch to your phone or changing the time and wallpaper, you can find a video right now on the screen on how to solve these problems. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.